Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Bikes and Bits. So today we're doing another unboxing and we're going to be opening another RTX 30 series graphics card. So I have the box here. I'm just going to start, I'll do it so you can all see. Starting to guess. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So I managed to acquire a 3070. So a little bit of a change from the 3090s that we were looking at before. Really, I'm done with the 3080 and 3090. I think that the design is really poor. With the 3090 having the memory modules on the back of the PCB and the GDDR6X, just really being a memory that's far too hot. You know, it may be blisteringly fast and you may get good performance, but users of the cards having to cool the backplate themselves, purchasing additional cooling solutions, or like I've been doing, putting heat sinks onto the card, it's just not really acceptable. I'd rather go for a cheaper card, and I was lucky enough to get this at retail price. I saw it come online and very quickly was able to pounce on it. Rather get a card with the GDDR6 memory, which hopefully will run cooler, and we haven't heard of the overheating problems with the lower tiers of the 30 series. So the cards that came available, one was a palette, one was the Gigabyte Vision, all 3070, and the other one was the Asus ROG Strix. I'm not really into the branding of Strix. I haven't had a Strix card before, so I just decided to get the cheapest one, and I managed to secure this for £629, which is pretty good going. So they're on eBay at the moment for about £850. So let's open it up and see what we've got. So obviously here's the outer box. Put that there so maybe you guys can see it. And then we've got this nice black inner display box. So we open it up. We've got a user manual. Some kind of diary or calendar from Palette. So 2021 on it. Maybe it's release dates. Feels like that scratchy material you can get on a scratch card. Hopefully you can win a graphics card. So let's have a look. Remove some packaging. This is, as you saw from the box, this is the Palette Gaming Pro RTX 3070. I just really wanted to go for a lower tier card rather than spending so much money on 3090s and having problems. Okay, so I'll move the box out of the way. You guys can see the card itself. Let's just remove the electrostatic label. And let's have a look at the Palette RTX 3070 Gaming Pro. Okay, so first impressions are really nice actually. So we're on about a 2.7, 2.8, maybe 2.9 slot card in thickness. So you've got quite a tall cooler, but the other dimensions of the cooler are quite concise, so it's quite narrow. Compared to the larger cards, the 3090s that we've been looking at. Wow, the backplate is a bit of a beast. Look at the thickness of the backplate compared to the 3090s that we've looked at. So good on Palette. I mean, I bought this card just on price really, and I didn't have high expectations for the design. But you've got this really nice Yeah, brushed effect backplate, which I'll just hold up to the camera. Thicker than the 3090 cards, and you've got very subtle RTX, GeForce, and then a Gaming Pro writing on there. If we turn around to the front, you've got 3 fans which all look to be identical designs, same size. You've got this lovely little metal accent piece which says Gaming Pro on it. And you've got 2 8-pin power supplies, power connectors. So I expected this to come with a single 8-pin like the older 70 series cards, but it looks like with the RTX 30 series they've upped the 3070 to take 2 8-pins. So yeah, really impressed actually. I mean, no RGB by the look of it, or maybe in here. You've got some meshed effect, and then you've probably got RGB that you can control. But I really like the card actually. Feels very solid in the hand as well. Thick backplate, nice cooler. The cooler's plastic, but you've got metal accents. Look at this perforated bit at the bottom. So why didn't they design the 3090s like that? So what you can see is the ability of this third fan to blow all the way through the heatsink fins and all the way through the backplate. So really nice little card. I say little, it's probably big by say a 10 series standard. It's almost as long as a 1080 Ti. See what it says on the back of the box. Not much actually. Powered by Ampere architecture, yeah, we know that. It's got 8 GB of GDDR6. That's looks like all it really says. So this is the entry level card, but yeah, really happy with it. So guys, yeah, we're kind of done with 3090s for now. The 3090 I did have will be going back, and we'll start playing with 3070, and hopefully we get a lot less problems. So thanks for listening. If you want to see more updates, more computer components and motorbike content, then yeah, please subscribe to the channel, and you'll get the notification of the next upload. So thanks team, and I'll see you in the next video.